Hey everybody, it's John from Detect Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how our DVI inspection assistant works directly inside of Tekmetric. And the way to access it is simply by clicking on our little side panel tab over here or clicking on the Detect Auto button and clicking the back arrow to reach the home page here. Once you're on this page and you have a DVI added, our inspection maintenance button will become available. And the way this tool works is pretty straightforward. When you click on this button here, our system will review all of your customers' vehicle service history and their vehicle information, and it'll pre-populate the digital vehicle inspection with all of the recommended and overdue maintenance. So you can see here we've just added information about a cabin air filter not being due yet. We've added information about air filter being overdue, drive belt checks, radiator checks, and every single thing that has a maintenance item from it. You're also able to customize these mappings as well. So if you don't like that something's showing up or you only want it to show up in one place, you can specify all of that directly inside of your extension settings. And if you go to your inspection maintenance settings here and click on the update mappings button, this will pull you right into your inspection settings where you can update what items are mapped to which items inside of your inspection. Heading back into the inspection, we also have a few other tools as well. If you have an issue where you identify, hey, there's an oil leak going on, and we say heavy drip, and we go back to our main page here and click inside of this text box, we'll also see two new abilities appear, our text rewriter and the inspection finding writer. The first one, inspection finding writer, takes the information that you've added into the inspection, writes up a short description of it, and then simply by clicking apply, it adds that new text into the digital vehicle inspection for your team. If we also wanted to rewrite that text, another thing we could do would be click on the text rewriter button, and that'll rewrite the text for clarity and grammar issues as well. Finally, we also have an ability where if you add an image of an inspection, our system can analyze that as well and write up what it sees inside of that image. To illustrate the ability of our inspection write-up assistant, I'm also going to click into this inspection here, and I'm going to show you these two images. We have a tire with a screw in it, and so what I'm going to do is click on the X button to indicate that this tire doesn't look good, and then I'm going to simply click inside of this text box and then click on the inspection finding writer button. What this will do is, again, it'll analyze the images, it'll analyze the ranking we gave it, and then it'll write a short description of what it sees. When I'm done, I can click apply, and then that information will get added right over to the Tekmetric DVI. If you have any other questions on how this system works inside of your shop management software, please reach out to us. We're always iterating and making new improvements on it. Thanks.